Hi, my name is Lee Westbury, and I'm presenting for the SunTrio group, which also consists of Dwayne Perkins and Kitty Cullerson. Our opportunity that we are addressing is that of renewable energy storage at the utility scale. We know that there is a need to be able to store this renewable energy from sources such as solar or wind, whatever it may be, and be able to then efficiently deliver that, because we know that solar and wind resources in this case, they're not constant, and they only generate at certain times. So our solution includes batteries, which will allow us to then store the generated energy for use when demand is high or after that source is no longer generating power. There are a number of things that we're doing as far as innovation goes with our ideas to be able to get our product out there. The first of which is to start off at the utility scale storage, so that utilities can use our batteries, store the energy efficiently for later reuse. The batteries themselves, to get into a little bit of that feature, they're going to be either glass mat or gel cell batteries, which will allow for low maintenance and power production for 3 to 4 hours at peak, and continuously at non-peak hours for up to 12 hours. As we move on from the utility scale storage, we would like to also address emergency backup for hospitals, resorts, businesses of that nature, where we could then provide them the ability to capture renewable energy and then use it as a backup in the event of an emergency, and actually save money for them having to rely on gas or diesel powered generators or other items such as that to provide their backup power. The third area that we want to address is remote application. Military, field hospitals, other operations such as that, for example, could use our remote application, which would rely on portable storage, so that we can capture energy, store it, and then allow it to be reused later in a field environment somewhere or anywhere around the world, which would then lead us into actually being able to offer this technology in our products for residential storage, where homeowners could take advantage of storing renewable energy for later consumption. Another use there would be for those that may already take advantage of solar, for instance, to be able to run things, but should the power go out, they are not able to continue that. In this case, stored in batteries, they could continue to use that power being generated while the sun is out or even after. So those are our basic features and products, the innovation that we have, that we want to offer to our potential customers, such as utility companies or resorts, hospitals, even the military, and so on, down to the residential level. As I mentioned before, the core function is being able to store renewable energy in an efficient way, and to be able to smartly provide that energy at peak times of peak demand or after hours when the renewable resources are no longer generating power. That's really the best feature that we were able to offer, is to be able to have that energy on demand, to be able to make it portable and useful where those, whether it's a business or an individual, that are trying to take advantage of that renewable power, may not normally have the option to do so. Some of the technology we'll use outside of the battery technology is that of software, to be able to smartly know when demand is high and be able to release that stored energy to be able to keep up with the demand. And I guess it's that combination of items, of the battery technology, the target market that we have, where we feel like there's a great need, and then the software that can help us to efficiently deliver the stored energy, that make up our secret sauce, and that will make us successful as we continue to develop our venture. And that is our solution. Thanks.